Hello everyone! In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to recover our MetaMask wallet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, if you have a MetaMask wallet and you forgot the username or the password and you won't be able to log in your account because you forgot those things, and you wanted to recover your wallet because there is a balance on it. So I'm gonna help you today. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do guys is we need to go to MetaMask login. Okay, MetaMask login. Okay. So next, you just have to click this one. And as you can see here, guys, you need to put your email and also the password that you are using on your MetaMask. Okay, so after that, guys, if you wasn't able to log in, guys, you just have to click this forget your password, and you just have to type your email here and submit it, and you will receive a notification on your Gmail or on your email, guys. So after that, guys, you can click the recover your wallet and create a new password or email, guys. So after that, guys, you will successfully recover your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.